Omegaman here, and I want to let you know that character counts when you're a hero. Let's have some fun.
I'm Chuck Chase, your game host, and let's play Spinorama! I'm going to spin the wheel, and whatever word it lands on, you tell me, is it good choice or bad choice? Cleaning up after yourself? Good choice! Disrespectful? Bad choice! Not following directions? Bad choice! Helping someone? Good choice! Being prepared? Good choice! Not listening? Bad choice!
A superhero always scores big with good character. A person of good character is a role model who sets a good example for everyone, someone you admire and look up to, someone who makes the world a better place, does the right thing even when no one is watching. You can be a person of good character too, by possessing the 6 important traits. We call these traits the 6 pillars of character. Superheroes increase their powers when they apply the 6 pillars of character to their life every day. Those powers are trustworthiness, respect, responsibility, fairness, caring, citizenship.
Hi friends, I'm team member Zena from Omegaman and Friends. Today I want to talk to you about one of the 6 pillar character traits, and that word is responsibility. Everyone say responsibility.
Responsibility.
What is responsibility? Being accountable for what you do, for your actions and behavior. Doing the right thing at the right time so others can trust and depend on you. Taking care of your property, yourself, and others. To know what your job is and to do it to the best of your ability. When you choose to make a poor decision, you admit to it, apologize for it, and then take steps to change it.
Come on, Zena. They don't need to know about being responsible.
Remember, kids, inside of every one of you is a superhero power. I want you to know, with great power comes great responsibility.
So kids, when you're making the good choices every day, like being responsible, you are using your powers to be a dream maker.
No!
Here's some examples of being responsible. Being prepared for class, taking good care of school property, eating healthy and exercising daily, following directions from your teachers and parents, cleaning up after yourself in the classroom, lunchroom, and at home without being reminded. Doing your best in everything you do. Others are counting on you.
What could happen if I'm not responsible?
I can give you some samples of not being responsible. Not getting a good grade because you didn't do your homework. Hurting someone's feelings because you mistreated them. Getting in trouble in classroom or at home because you weren't listening to your teacher or parents. Not giving your very best because you're playing around or not taking things seriously.
Okay, kids, can you give me an example of something you're responsible for?
I'm responsible for feeding my cat every day. I'm responsible for cleaning up after myself.
I'm responsible for doing my homework.
I'm responsible to stick up for others who are being picked on.
Wow, those are awesome examples for being responsible. So always remember, you and only you are responsible for every decision and every choice that you make. So every day, use your superhero powers for good and not for bad. Be a hero. There's a pledge I know, and my team and I want to teach it to you. Everyone, repeat after me. I pledge to be a kid of character. I will be worthy of trust. I will be respectful and responsible, doing what I must. I will act with fairness. I will show that I care. I will be a good citizen and always do my share.
Helen Keller, a famous writer who is deaf and blind, said this: "I am responsible for the work that I need to do, even though it may be hard." So remember, kids, you got this. I believe in you. And with that,
This is Omegaman, and have a superhero day.